By the time a student brings a draft, the core problems are already there. Scope isn't clear, the contribution isn't defined, and fixing often means starting over. That's why supervision takes so much time in the beginning. Thesis Support System moves that work earlier. Before the first meeting, the student walks through 4 decisions. What is the research problem? What is the scope? What is missing in existing work? What does this add? The system does not provide answers. It structures the thinking. By the time they finish, they have a research framing brief, a clear, reviewable representation of their research logic. The supervisor sees this before the first discussion. Instead of exploring what the research might be, the conversation starts with something concrete. Feedback becomes specific, revision happens earlier, and progress becomes visible. TSS does not replace supervision. It makes it effective from the start. If you supervise students or manage program, book a demo below.